What's going on, guys? How's it been? So what I want to talk about is this smart straw. You know, everyone loves this thing, right? You don't lose your straw. But if you have your big industrial can and you run out of this guy or whatever, what you can do is you pull that smart straw off and it fits on these big industrial ones. So what I did was I had one of these guys that was dead, so I can't really do it anyways. Let me see this hand. All right, that one, this hand, you guys know. So what I did was I just popped it off and then, you know, pull the cap off. Then you've got your little stem and it lines up damn near perfect. Lines up, and you can see that it's got a cone shape on it. And it just sits right on inside, and listen, it'll snap in, and it works just perfectly. So, yeah, quick little tip on WD-40 cans. If these guys run out and you have a bottle that you like using, I mean, this one's almost done. So, but anyways, yeah, you just snap it off, stick it on the big guy, and this will shoot all day for you. So just a little tip, something that I thought was cool, and yeah, I like using this guy a lot better. So alrighty, guys, have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.